Hey, here again at Walmart, bay hunting. So, I was wanting to get, where is it? Where was that bay? I was looking at this one, right here, Nightmare Rex. Switch it from attack to defense. Got all these stuff. This thing again. Thing doesn't work. Oh. So yeah, bay hunting. It's boring. Got a bunch of stadiums here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and bye.